Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the XXL Cream by the Boners collection. So let's get started. So this is the Boners XXL Cream itself. Now this cream comes in 100 milliliters and you can enjoy extreme pleasure with this cream. This nourishing penis cream makes the skin tissue of your penis soft and stimulates blood flow, and this gives your penis much more volume and allows you and your partner to enjoy more stimulation and an intense climax too. It's very simple and easy to use. Open the cap like so and apply a small amount to your hand. Make sure to close the cap when you hear the click and simply rub it into your penis and massage it properly. You can repeat this process daily for maximum results. Make sure to test for allergic reactions before use. Simply apply some to your arm and stop using immediately if irritation, redness, or even itchiness occurs. The cream itself feels very soft and smooth to apply and feels really good on the skin. And that is the XXL Cream by the Boners collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.